The machine tool program at Oconee Fall Line Technical College develops the skills that manufacturers value. Once enrolled in the program, students will learn skills in the proper use of hand tools, blueprint reading, manual lathe and mill operations, heat treatment, surface grinding, the fundamentals of operating CNC Lathe and Mill, computer-aided design and manufacturing usage, programming, and so much more. Students gain practical hands-on experience throughout the program to ensure they are prepared for their careers and confident in their abilities. In the machine tool lab, students work on the machines used by industries today. The program offers an associate's degree, diplomas, and a variety of certificates that can be completed in 2 years or less, depending on the student's program pathway. The precision machining and manufacturing industry offers opportunities to work with exciting technology, making products for aerospace, robotics, automotive, weapons, quality control, medical device industries, and many others. And as you gain experience and more education in this field, you'll be able to advance into machine programming and even engineering jobs. High-tech manufacturing has had a resurgence and the industry is growing. These jobs are in demand, and currently there are more job openings for machinists than there are machinists to fill them. Salaries in this field are also competitive, with entry positions starting anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000 a year with benefits and health insurance. As employees increase their skills and enter the mid-level of this industry, salaries can reach anywhere from $60,000 to $70,000 a year, and up to $100,000 a year at the highest level, which involves skills in program setup, process development, teaching, and training. Your career in machine tool technology begins at OFTC.